Part 2, Grade 12 Advanced, Assessment 3. We have now built our circuit. Lines 12, 13, 15 and 16 to declare the pin connection of the components. So we need two LEDs. We have a trigger pin and an echo pin. Our trig is connected to pin number 9. Our echo pin is connected to pin number 8. We have a green LED connected to pin number 10. A red LED is connected to pin 13. That's the first part complete. In our setup functions, declare the mode of the connection for LED and sensor pins. For this we use the pin mode command. Pin mode. Our LED is an output. The other LED attached to pin number 10 is also an output. Our trigger sends a signal out, so trig is an output. Our trigger is attached to pin number 9, and our echo, so the echo comes back, the echo comes in. So the pin mode for the echo, that's on pin number 8, is an input. So we have declared all our pins now and the modes. Part C, complete the loop function. We want to check if the distance is less than or equal to 50 centimeters. This goes in our loop. If distance is less than or equal to 50 and there is no and, okay, so if it's less than or equal to 50, open our bracket. We want to turn the red LED on, wait, turn it off, wait, turn the green off. The LED is a digital device and it is an output device, so we write to it. We want to turn the red one on, that is 13, 13 high, wait 100 milliseconds. Turn the red LED off, that is low, wait 100 milliseconds. green LED off. Our green LED is attached to pin number 10. Close our if brackets. Now if it is not less than or equal to 50, so else, open our bracket. Just going to copy this piece of code, paste it to here. If it is not, we want to turn the green one on. Green is attached to pin number 10. 10 high, turn the green off. 10 low, turn the red off. The red is 13. Low, always remembering to close our brackets. If you open a bracket, you must close a bracket. There's a lot of space here, we don't need all that space. Don't need all of this space. We don't need all of this space. Remember to put your name on this. Put your class. Start simulation. Let's run this to see if we have any errors. Okay, we have an error here. Line 26. Missing a semicolon. Close this, start simulation again. It's now running, we have no errors. Open the serial monitor. Okay, we have nothing on the serial monitor. And we don't need anything on the serial monitor. Now if this distance is less than 50, we should see the red LED flashing. Red LED flashing. If it is not less than 50, green LED flashing. That is part 2 of your project.